Here we are opening up, and we're off. We were off about 15 basis points early. Now we're down 9 basis points, so we are essentially unchanged. I have the Qs up here. Let's get the SPY up, see what, if anything, is happening. It doesn't look like we're open, does it? I swear we are, though. You guys heard the bell. I swear. But let's see what I'm not going to jump on anything right away here. We got, if we make a definitive move, but if we sit here like this, you guys, you pull out the nap bed. I don't want to get everybody's hopes up or douse any hopes, but I don't know what we're going to do today. We'll see, though. Let's see what's happening here. I know. All right, airlines probably off a little bit on. There's a little bit of negative Boeing news. We've stayed away from Boeing. It's basically unchanged. It was down about 20 bips earlier in the evening this morning. It's rallied back a little bit. We've stayed away from that Boeing trade. One, the option markets aren't. They are liquid, but they're expensive and wide. With an underlying of $375, that's what's going to happen.